We knew we had a long day ahead of us to get down south to Tonga's Humpback group, so we were up and moving before the sun had even started peeking over the horizon. We had waited a couple weeks for favorable winds, but they weren't cooperating, so when a day of no wind showed up on the forecast, we made a run for it. From our anchorage at Port Morel, it was about 60 miles down to Foa Island, and even though we had to motor the whole way, we had a ton of excitement in the form of some amazing humpback whales. Little whale to start the trip, huh?
Yeah.
Well, not too shabby.
One of the best highlights of Tonga.
There we go. Wakey, wakey time. We kept a close eye out all day, partially because we wanted to see the whales, but also because we didn't want to hit them. There were a few times we saw more splashes than usual off in the distance, indicating we'd found a heat run. A heat run is where males vie for the attention of a female in order to mate. On those occasions, we sent Phoenix up to go get a closer look. There are whales everywhere.
Everywhere. They're
Holy
reaching, they're
cow.
tail flapping, their spouts. It's amazing.
Now this is why we came back to Tonga.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Awesome. Hey, you've got 2 tuna there.
We do.
Holy cow.
Yeah. We got both the David, thank you for putting both the hand reels out this morning. And yeah, check these out.
Hell yeah.
2 different lures. A white squiddy thingy that the guy at Warren Hay recommended that I buy for tuna. And the other one was a cedar plug, which our friends on Blowing Bubbles recommended. So, yay guys, we got tuna!
Our reward for waking up early was the gorgeous Foa Island, and it's a good thing we left when we did, because bad weather soon arrived again. Hey you.
Hi.
We made it all the way down to the Hapai,
Yes.
but it seems like our bad weather followed us.
I know. Hopefully though it's not gonna rain after today for like a week.
Got rain all day yesterday, most of the morning.
Yeah. kind of gray and blah.
But it is going to be gorgeous out here. Just have to imagine some blue sky. When the weather did finally clear up, it was exploration time.
Ooh, there's another one. This guy's not as blue.
Are there spiders here on this island?
There are spiders.
Ugh.
Fortunately, we're not quite to Australia yet, so they're not going to kill us.
Yeah. You never know, these may be migratory Australian spiders.
Yeah, Tonga's not so strict with their biohazards stuff.
I don't like spiders. There are a lot of people out there kiteboarding and windsurfing today. I don't know, ways out there, but
We've got a kiteboarder and 1, 2. There was a third windsurfer somewhere.
well,
He may be down right now.
there's the wind they're surfing in.
Yeah, it's quite windy.
I don't know, what do you think? Is that something we should learn to go do?
Maybe.
Get you up windsurfing, fly the drone, follow you? That'd be pretty badass.
That would be pretty cool. There's the third windsurfer.
Wow, hauling ass.
Some kind of like, I don't know if it's dead coral or fossils or what, but it's pretty neat looking.
That rock's got like folds in it.
Yeah. It's kind of neat. I'm going to go with coral maybe.
This is when I kind of wish I was a geologist.
Does that happen to you often? You wish you were a geologist?
No, this may be the first time.
No offense, geologists.
You're on the wrong side of the river.
I'm fording the river.
Oh no. Please don't die of dysentery.
My bad. Ta-da!
Great success. And now you have squeaky shoes.
Now I have squeaky shoes. Squeaky shoes. Squeaky shoes. Why are you squeaky? Windy as hell.
Did you steal someone's paddleboard?
I did.
Oh man.
Going for a little spin.
Uh-oh.
This is only the third time I've paddleboarded and I'm going nowhere real fast, so.
Yeah, she's literally gone only a foot forward. Oh, we have progress. There we go.
Is it I'm making progress or is the boat swimming?
Making progress. We're gonna be positive on this one.
It's quite a workout though. It'd be good though. I want one. Ah, don't hit Starry Horizons!
It's gonna be in big trouble if you nail the boat.
Oh no!
We had arrived in the Humpback group just in time for an important yearly event, the Agricultural and Fisheries show. The show was in the main village of Pangai, so we caught a rather bumpy ride into town to attend. Where are we going today, babe?
The king is in town,
Whoa, the king!
so we're going to, they're having an agricultural show. So we're gonna go check it out and maybe spot a glimpse of the king.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, hey, what do you know? I believe that's the king right there. Always an adventure out here. Villages from all around the island group come to showcase crops and produce they've grown, fish they've caught, and other handicrafts. It's all on display, and you can negotiate to buy but usually you have to wait to pick up your purchases until after the king has come around to inspect.
Is this the same stuff too? Or is it different?
That guy's name was Mafi.
Mafi?
He was telling me it takes him 3 weeks to do some of the carvings and stuff.
Wow.
With a chainsaw. I was most impressed with the bounty of fish that was on display, including several sharks. It reminded me that even with our 2 tuna, we had a long ways to go before we could truly call ourselves fishermen. Finally, with school children lining the path and music blaring, the king made an appearance. He looked nice and relaxed, waving to the kids and with his own personal umbrella shade man. It must be nice to be king. There were quite a lot of speeches, and then the king made his official round of inspection. Once he was done, we got to enjoy a few traditional Tongan cultural performances before collecting our purchases and heading home. What do you think of the agriculture show?
It's good. It's a lot of like culture and dress and the king and food.
Nice way to experience a little more Tonga, huh?
Yeah. Let's go. I think so, yeah. Yep. There it goes.
Never had that happen before. Stop for a plane on the road.
Yep. It's a pretty small airport too.
Back at the boat, we took advantage of some proper tide conditions to go snorkeling. We were on the lookout for the gorgeous, but in my opinion, wildly misnamed zebra shark. Bye, Tika!
Bye, guys!
Adios, bro. Well, we may or may not see you down the atoll, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, mate.
And then there were 2.
Yeah.
Friends are leaving us.
Yeah. But that's okay. You know, it's beautiful. We're enjoying it. Margie and Monty are staying tonight, so we're going to hang out with them and have a nice grown-up dinner.
Whoa.
Fancy.
Going ashore in a restaurant, huh?
Yeah.
Man.
For something other than pizza.
Well, I already don't want it.
You're having lobster risotto. I think you'll be just fine.
Yeah, you're probably right. We've got our own personal taxi service coming.
Hey!
Marky's not ready for the video, too bad.
One thing. Second thing.
Backpack with all the goodies. All right.
Oh, and I guess we need me too, huh?
Yep, you too.
All right. So we've got a restaurant meal tonight, huh?
We have a fancy dinner tonight.
Man. Coming out with some friends.
Duck. I have duck, and you have lobster risotto.
And I have duck.
And duck. And lobster risotto.
Foa was an absolutely spectacular introduction to the Hapai group. After all our troubles coming back to Starry Horizons in Vava'u, we were thrilled to be out cruising again, and we couldn't wait to go explore some more of these beautiful islands.
Hey everyone, we hope you enjoyed our passage down to the Hapai group and getting to see all the whales that we saw. However, it was not our best whale story from Tonga. You'll have to stay tuned for that. In the meantime, we've made it to Australia and we're having our first meetup in Sydney on December 22nd. So there's going to be a link below and we hope to see you there. See you next time.